Hello my loves, myself Vaidehi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this easy breezy cat eye makeup look. I really hope you will enjoy watching this video. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First of all, we will take our hair back with the help of a belt. I'm done with my skincare, so I'm going to start with my sunscreen because my skin is like really allergic to UV rays. I always prefer applying sunscreen on my face. We will wait for 5 minutes so that sunscreen will settle on our face. For primer today, I'm using Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Face Primer, which is suitable for someone who has oily face. We will wait for 5 minutes because we don't want to layer our face with so much of the products. I am using two foundations in this video, one by the brand I Amsterdam and another by the brand Maybelline. You can definitely see that the foundation by the brand I Amsterdam is 1 to 2 shades lighter than my original skin tone, and the other one is 1 shade darker than my original skin tone. So I am mixing both the foundations together so that I can have color of my original skin tone. Now using a flat kabuki brush, I am applying the foundation all over my face, and now you can definitely see that the foundation looks like my exact skin tone. So this is the trick that you can follow to get your exact shade. And here whatever is left on my hand, I'm going to apply it all over my neck so that my face and neck will look like sisters, like similar in color. Using a small brush like that, I'm going to use Wet n Wild's contouring palette, and I'm taking that banana powder and applying that all over my face. Concealer that I'm using is by the brand Wet n Wild in the shade Medium Deep Tan. I really love the formula of this concealer. Also make sure you are not applying concealer under your eyes, and you will know why later in this video. You can see I'm blending my concealer in my skin, and I'm going to use Wet n Wild's contouring palette again, and I will take that banana shade and I will set my concealer in place. Let's move on to our eyeshadow part. Now I'm going to use a sellotape to create this look. Yes, a sellotape. Please don't mind the bad looking scissor in this video. So I'm going to take a little bit part of a sellotape. I'll cut it down and I will place the sellotape on the outer corner of my eyelids so that it will look like a wing. Basically, you have to create a wing using a sellotape so that excess product will not get out of the wing. I hope you are like समझ में आ रहा है आपको. We'll also make sure that our eyeshadow is looking sharp and precise, और छू के एक बार देख लेना कि कोई bend नहीं है, कोई dent नहीं है. So we have two options today. We have a gel eyeliner and an eyeshadow palette basically. Firstly, we are going to start with a black color. I think it is better to use an eyeshadow palette, but I'm using a gel eyeliner because I know how to create this look. But if you are a beginner, then make sure you are using an eyeshadow because blending करने में आसानी होगी. Now using that gel eyeliner, you can see that I'm placing it directly towards the outer corner of my eyelid, and देखो कुछ part like some part of my gel eyeliner is on sellotape. So जब sellotape निकाल देंगे तो वहाँ पे बहुत sharp line दिखेंगी. You can see I have that natural cut crease going on my eyelid, so it was like really easy for me to create a cut crease. You can see using a flat shader brush, I am blending the black gel eyeliner towards my inner corner so that it will look so blended and it will not look harsh on our eyes. Here you can see I'm erasing all the mistakes that I have done while blending my gel eyeliner. I'm going to use Wet n Wild's Cosmic Collagen palette, and I'm taking that brown shade on my fluffy brush and placing it directly on my centers of my eyelid. You can see I'm placing brown transition color over the part where we have blended our gel eyeliner. This will make sure that both the colors are blended well together. Also, we are going to intensify the gel eyeliner from the outer corner of your eyelids because I know most of the color is like faded away. You can see I'm taking Wet n Wild's eyeshadow palette and applying black eyeshadow over the top of gel eyeliner and smudging the color using a flat shader brush. You can see I'm taking the same palette and using brown color and applying it on the centers of my eyelid using a fluffy blending brush. You have to do this process again and again because we want both the colors blend together. You can see I'm applying mustard transition color on the inner part of my eyelid. Now you can see how blended the entire eye look is looking. At this point I realized that my wing was not in a good shape, so I changed the direction of the sellotape and now I'm filling all the gap that were left. As I said before in this video, you can see I'm blending the black color towards the inner corner and you can see I intensified the color towards the outer corner of my wing, and here's the result. Now I hope you can see how beautiful the eye look is looking, but still there is some mistake because we changed the direction of our sellotape. Please make sure before doing this eye look that your sellotape is in perfect direction. I'm cleaning all the excess eyeshadow using a concealer and you will see how. So have you seen how I cleaned away all the excess eyeshadow? I know this step can be difficult for some people out there, but this will not happen if you will place your sellotape at a right place. And this is the reason I said that don't apply concealer under your eyes, because such mistake can happen. Also, to avoid any fallout, it is really important to apply concealer after you have done your eyeshadow. So one eye is done and I will do another eye off camera. Okay, so I'm back with another eye makeup. I hope both of them are looking similar. Now we are going to fill in our eyebrows. All the products link will be in the description box, so if you want to know what products I used, you can check before going out of this video. Now to add some depth and some structure to our face, I'm going to contour my face using Wet n Wild's contouring palette, which is like one of my favorite contouring palette. Also, my camera is not gonna capture so much of the contours. I really hope you can see whatever I'm doing in this video. I tried my best to contour my face. I contoured my nose, my chin area, but I know my forehead contour is not visible in this video, but I did contour my forehead. So it is equally important to apply eyeshadow on the lower lash line. So I'm going to take same brown transition color using a flat shader brush. I'm going to apply it from the inner corner towards the outer corner of my lower lash line. I'm also going to take same black color from the same eyeshadow palette and applying it towards the outer corner of my lower lash line and connecting it towards the wing which we have created. At this point I was so tired because to create this 11 minutes of video it took me almost 1 hour. So yes, I was tired. Lipstick that I'm using today is by the brand Blue Heaven. It's the Elegance Matte Lip Color in the shade 07, which is my personal favorite. I also applied blush before applying lipstick, but I forgot to film how I applied and what blush I applied. So blush that I applied was by the brand Sugar Cosmetics. So this is how my makeup is looking. Now I'm going to use highlighter by the brand Wet n Wild. It's a really subtle and beautiful highlighter, and this is the reason. This is the reason I hate using highlighter brush. I think it's of no use, but I still tried my best to apply highlighter on my cheekbones, on my nose, on my upper lip area, on my brow bones. Now I hope you can see how my entire eye look changed in a minute when I applied highlighter on my inner corners. This is the step I have shown in most of my videos, that is curling my eyelashes and applying mascara. My mascara was, I think, expired, or I think it was not expired but was dried out completely, so it was not coating my lashes properly. You can also apply fake lashes, but I don't have fake lashes with me and I don't find any point in applying that, but maybe in future I will. So this is like my entire look. I paired my entire makeup look using a hoop earring. You can also wear jhumka or anything of your choice. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video so far, and if you did, then please show some love, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of such videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.